Today we'll talk about how can you find teachers on your school planner app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your school planner app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on teachers here. You just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you will find our teachers connect info there here in this list. So I have no teachers here, but if you have them, you will find them here in this list on your school planner app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.